Jamaican woman stabbed to death in New York while walking to work. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican woman was stabbed to death while she was walking to work in Brooklyn, New York on Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as 50-year-old Dorothy Clark of Brooklyn, New York and Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. A 34-year-old man, Anthony Wilson, has been charged with murder and criminal possession in relation to the killing and now awaits arraignment in a Brooklyn criminal court, police said on Monday. He reportedly lived blocks away from where the killing took place. While family members had speculated that the woman was stabbed by a man who was stalking her, police insiders said that the attack may have been random, according to New York Daily News report. Clark was reportedly walking through a parking lot in East Flatbush, more than a mile from her Brooklyn home, to get to work at a store when she was attacked and stabbed around 5:30 a.m. on Sunday morning. Further reports are that Clark managed to make her way to work but collapsed on the pavement. She was rushed to hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. Clark had just moved from Montego Bay, Jamaica to New York in 2019 in order to secure a better life for herself and her family. Her sister is so distraught and don't know how she's gonna manage without her. It is further reported that she was not to be at work on this day but was just doing this as an extra time. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.